Good morning. I have a problem with my uh, pressure temperature relief valve. That's what they call here. This is the valve. So about a few days ago, the water is come up from here down here. So this is the outlet. So my neighbor told me there's a water leak from my house, and I check it. It's come from here, from this valve. So this valve is has maybe this one is about 10 years old. So the sediments or rust and everything, sometimes they go up here and block it. So when the high temperature raise and it's open, it won't be closed again. So we can open it and clean it up, but better because this one is only about $13, $14 for the valve. So I just want to replace it. So hopefully this is something easy because mine only have one that I can open it there. So there is nothing, there's no here that I can take it off, so to make it easy. I'm afraid that I have to cut this and make like a connector in here, but hopefully not. So hopefully that I can just open it from the top and replace it. And this is the part that I got, so make sure you got the right part. This is the part that I get is the NCLK-5, because they have the same model, but the number on the back, sometime in here there's a different pipe size and also different height. Sometimes this one is long, the other model is longer, or the other one is longer. So you want to make sure they have the same model, the same size. Otherwise you have to modify this pipe here, the metal pipe, and I don't want to do that. So let's open it, and hopefully it's easier. I don't have to do any modification on this pipe. Alright guys, stay tuned. So again, first thing what you want to do, just change this to the pilot so it won't turn on, and this temperature to the minimum level, right? So remember, the water inside here is so hot, so if you open this and the hot water come up, then it's not good for us, right? So I will wait for a while until this one a little bit cold, then I will open it. Okay, now I'm going to close this cold water inlet, so make sure there's no water running when I open it, otherwise then the water will come out. Right, secure. Now open this valve to release some of the pressure. See that running. Also, we'll take some of the water from the tank out, so I will connect the hose, my garden hose here. Open it just a little bit so the water will drop on the tank. So hopefully there's no water come out from this valve when I open it. I think that's enough. I don't want to take all of the water out. Close it now. So look like I have to cut this. There's no way I can hit this one and then take it off, but you know, and I have to solder this one again here. It's kind of painful. I think just do a different one. I know I want to cut this and put like a connector in here. If I cut it in the future, if I got a problem and this one fell again, easy for me to take it off. So yeah, now it's get ready to cut this. This is the part that I want to use. This is part number there, C666 C633W. Cut here, so here, this is the one that I want to put it. So I will put it like this. So cut around this side. So I just cut it. So it's already cut now. There's nothing that holds this other than the screw now, so it should be easier to turn it. Now I'm going to open this. Good, it's moving. It's good. 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 Should be loose now. Maybe I need to put towel under this before I open it, just in case there's a water dripping. Alright, let's try again. There is some. Right, there's for that I just need to change this, replace it with the new one. So I need to lift this up a little bit so I can turn this off. I didn't open all these bolts, so I just lift it a little bit so I can turn this. I can still feel pressure from this, so I'm sure it's going to hot water. So be careful. When it falls, how do you release it? You open it. Okay, this is the old one. So you can see my old one is so rusty here. It's bad. Inside also here, if you can see the inside. Dirty. This one maybe the gunk or the sediments build up there. The one that hold it when they open, doesn't want to close it again. So that's good. I replace it now. So this is the new one and the old one. Make sure that you get the same thing, the same size, the same models. Same model is not, but at least the same size. Mine is the same models. This is new and this is old. They're both the same. The most important is the height of this. So you don't have to modify your pipe if you have the same size. So before I put it on, just clean up a little bit inside here. Also the thread here, I put the pipe tape here. This to help to prevent from leaking. So the tape on, nice, put it back here. So this one is face. So this is already facing the right direction now. So that's good. Next step is I have to put this the connector for both. One done. I already put the bottom one. I'm going to put the top one. Alright, the top one. That one ahead. So it's done for me. So this is I already put it on here. Between this I put high temp silicone actually. So in here the pressure, the water pressure is so low, so water just flow directly out. So it's no problem. We just put the silicone. We don't have to solder it. This is the one that I use it, the high temps gray silicone here. This is from the auto, my auto part actually. If we when we built the gasket, I built the gasket. This is what I use. So this is high temp, so this is okay. This is a hot. When water come from here is hot, but the pressure is low. So this all right. So this is done. So this is it. So need to turn back the heater on and then call it a day. It's done. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.